and welcome. This is Khushbu Batta and today we will learn how you can automatically add Shopify order details in your Google Sheets. Now let's say you run an online store and you received a new order. Now you want to add the order details and customer details at one place in Google Sheets. So how will you do it? First, you can go to Shopify, copy all the details, come back and manually add it to Google Sheets. However, this can be a lengthy and time-consuming process. So how about you try our Pabbly Smart way? Here we will connect Shopify with Google Sheets, all using Pabbly Connect. So whenever you receive a new order on Shopify, the details will automatically be added to Google Sheets. And don't worry, this entire automation process is so simple that it can even be done by a person of non-technical skills. Come to my screen to see how we do it. To add Shopify orders in Google Sheets, let us first go to Pabbly's website. On the top right, you will see two options, sign up free and sign in. Since I already have an account, I will just sign in. Now go to Pabbly Connect. On the top right, you will see a create workflow button. It will ask you to name the workflow. We will simply write Shopify to Google Sheets, create. Now it will show you two windows, trigger and action. So trigger is basically when this happens, action says do this. So here let us select Shopify as a trigger application. Now for the trigger event, we will select new order. Why? Because we want every time a new order is placed in Shopify, the order details should be added in the Google Sheets. Now this is the Webhook URL. So Webhook URL is basically a link or a bridge that connects two applications. Let us copy this and now go to Shopify's website where we have to paste it. Now you can see this. Straight come to the left hand side. You will see left bottom, you will see settings. Click there. Now scroll down and you will see notifications. Now scroll a little more and you will see create webhook. Click there. We will select from cart creation, we will select order creation. Why? Because we want the details when the order is created or placed. Let us paste that URL. For API Webhook API version, let us select the latest version and save. So it says Webhook saved successfully. Now let us go to Pabbly's page and see. Yes, you can see it is waiting for Webhook response. Now to make sure to check if Shopify is successfully connected with Pabbly, let us quickly go and place a dummy order from Shopify. Yeah. So let us just select this, add to cart, checkout. Alright, so it will show you this form. Let us quickly fill in the details. So you can see we have filled in the details. Now let us just continue to payment. And let me fill in my card details here. Let us just pay now. And you can see it is processing. It says the order is being processed. And here you can see the order is confirmed. Now let us go to Pabbly's page and see if it has captured the response. Yes, you can see here. All the details are here. The contact email ID, the order amount, currency, and so on. If you will scroll down, you can see the customer's details as well, like this. The first name, billing address, contact number, city, and so on. So this means we have successfully integrated Shopify with Pabbly. Now on to our next step. In the action window, we will select Google Sheets because that's where we want our data. For the action event, we would want add new row. Now why? Because we want every time an order is placed in Shopify, a new row with the order data to be added in Google Sheets. Let us connect. Add new connection. I would say connect with Google Sheets and select your account. All right, let me give it permission. And it says authorization successful. So now you can see this Google Sheet is successfully connected. As we can see the spreadsheets that were in my account, all these. So let us select the spreadsheet in which we want data. So we will select Shopify test. Why? Because here I'll show you. Like you can see, I've already prepared a Google Sheet with the name of Shopify test with these fields: first name, last name, contact number, and email ID of the customer. So I want my data to be added here. You can select as many fields like order number, order details, or payment status as per your need. So now let us go back to Pabbly's page. And yes, that is why we selected Shopify test. Now let us map these details. First name would be, let us just, customer first name. Yes. Scroll down, then it will need last name. So let us just take last name. Scroll down and you will see, yes. Again, contact number we will map. Since there are so many details, we will just write and take it from here. Email, again let us map. Let us search email, here it is. And let us save and send test request. Alright, it says response received. Now let us quickly go to our Google Sheet, the Shopify test that we had prepared, and see if the data is added. And yes, you can see the first name, the last name, contact number, email address. And like I mentioned, you can have more fields like payment status, addressing details, and so on. So I hope this video was helpful for you. And for more such videos, you can subscribe to our channel on YouTube.